He thinks he's so sneaky. Hi.
Not that bad. It's literally just raining right now.
What's up, you guys? First of all, I look a little bit crazy. I have not washed my hair in literally like a week and a half, and I do not care. Second of all, this is the first time in literally a month that I felt like recording, that I've actually been like, okay, I want to pick up my phone and record a video. So getting gas now, doing my sister's hair later, and hopefully I'll remember to keep you guys updated. Good morning, you guys. Happy Thursday. So you know how yesterday I said that I was going to like keep you guys updated, kind of take you along throughout my day of doing my sister's hair and all that? I didn't. Big surprise, but I didn't. So I'm back at Walmart again today because I need to go get something for myself for lunch to eat, and I need to get some eyebrow gel because my eyebrows literally have glitter in them from yesterday's makeup. It is what it is. Anyway, we're at Walmart. I'm about to go in. I have like 2 things on my list. Probably gonna walk around and waste some time. I was gonna go into Cracker Barrel, but I'm trying to be responsible and not do that. So
I'll give you guys a fit check, even though it's gonna be what I wear every single day of summer 2022. Biker shorts, oversized men's t-shirt from Walmart, flip-flops.
it's Chick-fil-A day with my baby.
Hold up.
What's up, you guys? I don't even know if you can actually hear me because 1, my AC is on full blast, 2, it's literally tsunamiing outside. We just haven't had rain in like 2.5 weeks, or maybe even longer. So I'm just updating you that it randomly started raining today and it's pouring like crazy right now. It's crazy, it's wild, oh my god. Happy Friday, you guys. So I just got gas. I'm waiting for Starbucks to open, and then I have to wait for Walmart to open. I'm gonna go look for a Bubba Cow Squishmallow. I already have an 8-inch, but I've seen that another local-ish Walmart in Indiana just got a shipment in yesterday, so fingers crossed that we can find him, and then I'm going home after that.
Even fucking spring.
Y'all, it is downpouring over there, like literally
even.
right there, and not even raining right here.
No tree above us right here.
That's so crazy.
No tree.
What's up, you guys? I feel like I have not checked in a while. It's July 3rd, 6:21 p.m. Baby's inside of Walmart right now grabbing orange juice and grenadine so we can have our tequila sunrise to drink tonight. We are on the way to my uncle's house, Uncle Shondo's house, for a little 4th of July party, some fireworks, some food. I just had to buy a new mascara that isn't even the kind that I love. It's not that I don't like this one, it's just not the one I always use, you know? So, had to buy a new mascara because my other one's dried up. I just wanted to check in. I miss talking to you guys all the time. I miss recording every day, but I'm working on getting back into that like usual. We're gonna do the mascara. I'm using the Maybelline, the Rocket Volume Express in the waterproof because we're gonna be swimming in the pool. I have not used this mascara since I was in like high school, but oh my gosh, I forget how good it is. I usually use the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black, but this is good. Also, Lindsay always says, take a shot every time I do my makeup in the car, so here's your chance. Take a shot, take a drink of coffee, take a drink of water, you know. Okay, you guys know how I literally just told you that I sent Debbie in the store to get grenadine and orange juice? He got chairs too. I can't send him nowhere by himself. My baby. What did you get in there? What's up, you guys? So 8:08 check-in. We're back at Walmart to get more Patron because we thought we had enough, and we don't. We've already drank it. Well, I haven't drank yet. I wouldn't be driving, but Trey's already drank it all that we took with us. So once we get back, I am gonna start drinking. Won't be driving though. We're excited. We're excited to watch the fireworks. There's like 4,000 shots, I think Uncle Sean said. That's crazy. It's a video.